Hi, John Bona here. We're here at Peggy's Cove. You know, there's been a lot of folklore created really about this beautiful place here called Peggy's Cove to explain the name, what actually happened. One story suggests that this village, this beautiful little village here, may have been named after the wife of a early settler back in the 1800s. The popular legend claims that the name came from the sole survivor of a shipwreck right off the shore here at Peggy's Cove at Halibut Rock near the Cove. A local artist and a resident here actually said that she was a young woman, a beautiful young woman, while others say she was maybe too young, actually a young little girl, and too young to remember but her original name. But the family that eventually took her in and adopted her called her Peggy, and so you have it here, Peggy's Cove. The young lady was shipwrecked and a sole survivor, and she married a local resident here of this cove in 1800, and it became a very well-known place known as Peggy's Cove. Peggy of the Cove was the original name. It attracted visitors from around the area, and eventually not only in the Bay Area here, but around Nova Scotia and worldwide. Today we see Peggy's Cove here. People from India, Europe, from everywhere come here. It's a beautiful place to bring your family and just to enjoy the beautiful scenery. Come to Nova Scotia, you'll enjoy Peggy's Cove.